Jason was absolutely amazing. From the first client meeting, he was very attentive to our requests. He made valid suggestions, and right throughout the planning process, he was right there, with the music and everything. And he just made us feel very comfortable as a couple, that our entertainment, which is a very big part of our wedding, was in good hands and was well taken care of.
And throughout the planning of the wedding, he gave us updates along the way. And if we had any suggestions for songs or any changes, we felt free to call him up or to message him and inform him of those changes, which he accepted, and gave comments as well, very generously.
And one thing I noted is that, he's very organized, very, very organized, not a last minute person. He insisted on doing a full rehearsal, even though I was like, is this really necessary? Is this really necessary? But he insisted, and on the wedding day, it was just absolutely
Amazing.
the music was amazing. He played all the songs for us at the ceremony, and it was just lovely. He did a fabulous job. And he totally teamed up with the MC and surprised us with a fabulous music selection.
I was blown away.
Yeah, it's like, wow, but excellent job. And
all the clips were executed perfectly with good timing and good job.
he was just awesome. Like, I would strongly recommend him. He's an awesome DJ and, very professional. Very, very professional. So good job, DJ Jason.
Thank you.